Welcome to the ALTA Hour of Power. I'm Megan Kennedy, Business Development Manager for inMailX. inMailX Attachment Manager is a risk management, compliance and productivity solution for Microsoft Outlook. It enables users to easily rename and reorder email attachments, convert attachments to PDF, clean metadata from attachments, password protect, and also compress attachments into zip. Let me give you a taste of how easy it is for users to format attachments with inMailX. Once documents or files are attached to an email, the inMailX attachments buttons become active. Using the rename button, you can rename the attachments to a more appropriate title. In the same window, you can also reorder them. Once completed, just click the OK button. If you need to convert your attachments to PDF on the fly, just click the PDF button to open the inMailX PDF window. Select the attachments that have been converted to PDF, choose to create a PDF or PDF-A, and click the OK button. With inMailX, you can also combine multiple attachments into a PDF. To do this, click the PDF button, change the attachment's name and order as required, select the Combine checkbox, choose to create bookmarks, change the name for your combined PDF if required, and click the OK button. The attachments will be converted and combined into a single PDF quickly and with very little effort. After the process is finished, you can open and review the combined PDF document prior to sending. If you need to make any changes, it's not a drama. You can simply click the Undo button to revert the process and take you back to the previous attachments, so you can make the necessary changes and then repeat the process. inMailX also enables users to easily clean confidential metadata from attached Word, Excel, PowerPoint and PDF documents, as well as images or pictures. Just click the Clean button to open the inMailX Clean window. Select the documents you'd like to clean, choose what metadata you'd like to remove. Note that you can keep track changes and comments in Word documents. Click OK. If there is need to secure your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF and zip attachments with a password, you can do this very easily with inMailX. Click the Protect button to open the inMailX Protect window, select which documents you want to protect, type and confirm your password, and click OK. In case you need to change the password, it's not a drama, just click the Undo button to revert the previous attachments, then complete the process again. With inMailX, you can easily compress your attachments into zip to reduce size. Click the Zip button and open the inMailX Zip window. Select which attachments to compress. Select and apply security if required. Accept the default name or type a new one for your zip file, and click OK. That's a very brief overview of some of the inMailX Attachment Manager features and benefits. To find out more about how inMailX can improve your users' productivity and compliance while simplifying and streamlining your business processes, please contact us for further information.